Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Ivo from My Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today we're going to do a little bit of cooking. What we got here is an apple that's been peeled and cooked, and I've thrown some banana in it. I had some old bananas that's going off in the fridge. I thought I'd have a go at it. So the bottom here is pastry, puff pastry, and it's layered in the bottom. Then all I'm going to do now is put another layer on top and then do the oven. And I got myself an apple pie. Pretty simple. Peel your apple. This in particular ingredients, I got apple and banana, vanilla essence, and plain your sugar in it. You don't have to put sugar, but I put sugar in it. So all I'm going to do now is put the layer of pastry on top, ready for the oven. But anyway, here we go, 2024. And we're having a go at everything that's available. Cooking is just one of those things. Anyway, Stephen, I thought My Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.